key fob not working. Car is hot as hell. Wanna keep it from getting stolen? I'll show you how to get in, cool it down, and put your key fob to sleep when you are not using it. The first feature is Keyless Go, easy unlocking and easy locking of the vehicle without you touching the key fob. So now I have full hands with baggage. What should I do? I don't need to reach for the key fob. I can just place my hand here. The car will unlock. Now can I very easily put the bags in the car. Close the door. And once again, I don't need to reach for the key fob. I just press here and the car locks. So I want to show you close up and what kind of mistakes are people doing in the first time using the car and the keyless system. Now the car is locked. What you need to do to unlock is not press here on this indentation. You just have hand like this and you insert it here. You're not touching anything on the door handle, just inserting the hand. That's the correct way to unlock the car, so the car is not confused. Then, if you want to lock the car, you don't put the hand here like you did when you unlock it. You just have your palm like this with the thumb and you press on the indentation here, okay? Nothing more, just this. And now it locks. So that's all what you need to do. The mistake which are people doing, they are grabbing the handle and they are also pressing when they want to lock. For example, like this. Now it even doesn't work. Sometimes it works, sometimes the car is confused. But yeah, this is the best way. There is a problem with the Keyless Go. Do you know what it is? Don't leave, I will tell you. Not only you, but also the thieves can open the car. If you know about this, let me know in the comments. If you don't, then listen, I will tell you. And the thieves, they don't even need to break into your home to do that. They can do that from outside of your home. And now I'm going to show you how we can prevent this. Now I feel as if I should work at the police. If my grandpa would be a sheriff, I think he would be proud of me. Now I will show you how to put the key fob into sleep. Then it is not possible to use the keyless and not possible to steal your vehicle. So, on my vehicle, which is the newer model, it is a little bit different. So you need to hold the lock button and then press unlock button twice until you see red LED. And now the key fob, the keyless, is not working. So the keyless is not working. And if you want to have again functional keyless, just unlock the vehicle. And now if I lock normally, then the keyless will work once again. And on the previous models it could be a little bit different. So you need to press lock twice quickly, like this. On this vehicle nothing happens, but on my A220 it will do the same like I showed you with this one. So put the vehicle to sleep. So on the older vehicles double click the lock, and on the newer ones you hold the lock and double click unlock. We have been opening and closing the vehicle, and now I will show you how you can open and close something to have much more comfort when you enter the vehicle. And this feature is called comfort opening. So what you need to do is you need to press and hold unlock button and all windows will go down. Check it out. And also if you have a sunroof, the panorama sunroof will open fully. And now you let the air go through the car with this physical effect. Physics, very super and very cool. And you can let it like this for, I would say, half a minute or so, 20 seconds, depending how much time you have. It will flush the hot air much better. So this is amazing, because if you have it closed, you enter the vehicle, it's hot as hell, and you turn on the AC and it will take much longer time until you get a somewhat cooler experience in the vehicle. But this way you can get relatively not as hot air, still warm but not as hot as before, and then you can start to drive and roll up the windows and start the AC. And if you want to close all windows, then you need to hold lock button. Now it will lock, close all windows, and also lock the vehicle and also the sunroof. This is called comfort closing. The next feature has something to do with the keyless as well, and also with the boot. On some model, if you just kick under the boot, the tailgate will open, but on my vehicle this is not physically possible, so I need to open it manually. But with the keyless, you don't have to reach and touch the key fob, you just open it. The vehicle will unlock, but only the boot. You can load your luggage very easily, like this. And on many models you just press the button. On this one it's physical, so you just... Now the car will lock itself automatically, and I can see that by the mirrors. So while I was doing this, the cabin was still locked, so nobody could enter the vehicle while I'm actually using the boot. So on most of the vehicles you will do just movement like this, depending if you have a tow bar or not. Tow bar is in the middle, so if you have a tow bar you don't kick here, but either on this side or on the left side. So on many boots, if not on every boot, is here the instruction like a sticker, and so you know exactly where you should kick under the boot. The keyless system is a great feature, but what should you do if the battery in the key fob is dead? This actually happened to me once, and I was quite shocked, and I didn't know what to do. But don't worry, now I will tell you what to do. So depending on what kind of door handle do you have, on this one, more classical, is a little bit different than on the pop-up door handle. So on this one, what you will do is you will locate the physical entrance, which is here. Can you see? Now I will show you how to take out this part of the key fob. So you need to turn around the key, and you have here a small button. Can you see? So you press this, and the key blade will release. You will take it out, and this is the blade, okay? And this is the key. So now you will manually insert the blade here. So now, with the lower opening, we actually removed this plastic piece from the door handle. So now you'll insert here the blade and turn. Now I have put the key fob into the sleeve so we can test with the physical key. So finally we got into the car, but the alarm started to beep, and it's very loud, crazy loud. We need to stop it and of course start to drive. Don't worry, I will show you how to do that. In the center console, in the cup holder area, you need to find this place with this pictogram, and on top of it you need to place physically the key fob. Now the car can recognize your key fob, and you can go ahead and start the vehicle. Like this. And now guys, you know exactly what to do when the battery in your key fob dies, so you don't need to worry anymore. Now, when everything is working, you want to replace the battery in your key fob. And now when we finally figure out what to do, now what you want to do is replace the battery in the key fob, so you don't need to do these steps anymore. And I will show you how to do that right now. Swap in the fob battery. You will be done even before your pizza cools down. Alright, what you need to do is turn the key fob to the other side, press this small button here and then push this top part to this way, to the left on the camera, like this. See? Very easy. So this is how it looks, the back part of the key fob. With the fingernail, you grab this tray and you push it out. Okay? This is the battery. You can leave it here. This is the tray, you will flip it. And here is the battery. And this is the battery, CR2032, 3-volt battery. In my case, it is a Panasonic. So you take your new battery and you put it here like this. Just put it there. Now you flip it, but hold. And in this way, where is the fingernail, you will insert it into the key fob. Here is the lower button. And you will insert it like this and just push. There is no click, just push, and it's not moving anymore. Now you will take the rear case and just press it without touching this button. Okay, without touching. And it will click into place. And that's it. Now you have new battery in your key fob. And still time to eat your pizza hot. Now you know the quick fixes, which save you time, keep you cool, and protect your bands. Do you have another Mercedes trick which you swear by? Drop it in the comments. I might feature it next time.